Let's learn to write number 4. Hey, little friends! Today, we're going to learn how to write the number 4.
Aloha, friends! Let's dance our way to number 4. First, slide your arm down like the palm tree's trunk, and now across.
Got a pencil in my hand and a paper that's clean. Gonna write a number that's a counting machine. 1, 2, 3, now here comes the score. Curve and a line, oh yeah, that's a 4. Flip it upside, it's like a chair. Turn it around, it's a sail in the air. 4 is the door to the fun we explore. 4 is the floor where we dance and roar. 4 is the more that you're looking for. Come on now, let's shout it, we love the 4. Or a flag on a mast. It's a superhero cape, flying fast. From the pages to the skies, it's never a bore when you're learning the magic of the mighty 4.
Let's make the number 4. We did it! 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a table with legs, or a flag on a mast. It's a superhero cape flying fast. From the pages, let's write the number 4 with some fun surprises. Start at the top, slide down to the floor. Let's write the number 4 with some fun surprises. Start at the top, slide down to the floor.